Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install YouTube Studio app on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, make sure you download and install YouTube Studio app. So for every Android user, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on your Play Store. Then after click on your Play Store, go to search. Then click on search app and game and type in YouTube Studio. Then hit on search. There's take you right here. Click on this one right here and make sure you download and install YouTube Studio app right here. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed the app, this is from the Play Store. Then go ahead and look for the app icon just like what you see right here. Okay. So next thing you need to do is to click on the app icon. So if you are open the app for the first time, you will be asked to log in with your YouTube username and password. Just make sure you log in. Once you log in, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on contents. The next thing you need to do under short right here, next thing you need to do is to click on view all. Then go ahead and select a particular video you want to turn off the comments. So I'm going to use this particular video right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on these three dots right here. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on edit. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on more options. Then scroll down and click on comments. Then click on off. Then go back. Then click on save right here. It's that simple. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.